So we gotta build a fence around the front of our brooder to keep kind of a clean area where we keep their feed and keep their the plastic boots that we gotta wear when we're inside. So we're gonna start on that and see how it goes.
Them bales. I'm dog tired by the 5 o'clock hour, but I'm ready to raise some hell. And Jesse's getting ready. I'm gassing up the Chevy. I'm gonna pick her up at 6. I hope she's gonna wear them jeans with the tear that her mama never fixed. The moon comes up and the sun goes down. We find a little spot on the edge of town. Twist off, sip a little, pass it around. Dance in the dust, turn the radio up. And that fireball whiskey whispers temptation in my ear. It's a feeling alright Saturday night, and that's how we do it round here. Yeah, that's how we do it round here. Mud on the grips, wild cherry on her lips. I've been working and trying and flirting and dying for an all-night kind of kiss. The country on the boombox, candles on the toolbox. I'm doing everything right, got the country boy charm turned all the way on tonight. Yeah, the moon comes up and the sun goes down. We find a little spot on the edge of town. Twist off, sip a little, pass it around. Dance in the dust, turn the radio up. And that fireball whiskey whispers temptation in my ear. It's a feeling alright Saturday night, and that's how we do it round here. Yeah, that's how we do it round here. Yeah, the moon comes up and the sun goes down. We find a little spot on the edge of town. Twist off, sip a little, pass it around. Dance in the dust, turn the radio up. And that fireball whiskey whispers temptation in my ear. It's a feeling alright Saturday night, and that's how we do it round here. Yeah, that's how we do it round here. Come on. Yeah, that's how we do it round here.
There, and if you're headed out to Brad Paisley's Mudstock, you better get moving because traffic is back.
My boss told me that if I came this weekend that he was gonna fire me, but I figured it was worth it.
From Illinois, I'm playing hooky from school.
Our car totally broke down.
I walked here from Denver, Colorado.
I've got some big news. The bank finally came through, and I'm holding the keys to a brand new Chevrolet.
That was one of the best shows ever.
Have you been outside? It sure is a nice night. How about a little test drive down by the lake? There's a place I know about where the dirt road runs out. We can try out the four-wheel drive.
We came here just to get married. We're gonna have a lot of little moments.
Come on now, what do you say? Girl, I can hardly wait to get a little mud on the tires. 'Cause it's a good night to be out there soaking up the moonlight. Stake out a little piece of shoreline. I've got the perfect place in.
So here's the finished product. Just a little bit of fencing around, some posts, and this piece here you see propped over. We use that, we put that up over the door so that with their with their back window open and that, they get a little bit of a breeze through. And this gate here closes. And then keep anyone from going inside. So that's what we got done. We got that done. And then yeah, other than that, we've been busy just doing little things and trying to get stuff cleaned up, get ready for the winter. So the batch that's in the, so we got one batch in the tractor. That's these guys. Oop. And these guys that Olivia's feeding. Her favorite things to feed the chickens. So we got one batch here in the tractor, another batch is in the brooder, and the batch in the brooder will come out here once these guys go to processing on the 23rd. So, and then that'll end our chickens for the year. So.
Hi.
Alright, head down and see what else is left to do. So we're just up spending some time with the cows and the goat and seeing how they're doing. And they're having to sit down and they just let Olivia come sit on them, apparently. So Shelby's ran down to get some fly spray. We're going to spray them down for the flies to keep them off of them and spend a couple minutes up with them and go from there. Just a girl and her animals. Aw, giving them hugs.